Welcome everybody. Today we've got Scrapper and Mixmaster, two more of the Constructicons, Decepticons who combine into Devastator. Look at him. Alright, pretty straightforward transformation. Just move his hands to his side, pop his head in, and fold his legs back, and he becomes the front end. That front end loader, is that right? I don't know all the construction equipment names. That seems like that's what that should be called. Fairly good representation again. Let's see if his sticker is working. Yeah, a little bit. It's the Decepticon symbol does show up momentarily. And then Mixmaster, probably the most simple of all the transformations, is put his arms in and pull his legs. You know, he doesn't really have legs. Flip the cab over, and there he is. Didn't take a look at him in robot form really, but don't really see much more. I think he had some. Looks like there's a one of those spring-loaded things. I think that's above his head. It seems like I remember him popping something out there. Okay, and then back to. Oop. Oh, something's not working there. Ooh. Okay. You worked just a second ago. What's going on? Ooh, that's a bad feeling. Okay, there it went. Okay. And there he is in truck form. I think I already showed this. Let's see. Okay, so that's Mixmaster and Scrapper Scavenger? I done forgot. I had to look it up. So it's a. That's the wrong screen. What was it? Scrapper. Okay. Where was his? I don't seem to have a heat activated sticker on him. Alright, maybe it was down there. I'm not sure. But anyway, there they are. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.